Welcome to this easy-to-follow guide on how to log in to MyCare Compass. If you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, this video will walk you through the login process step by step. Whether you're accessing healthcare services, managing appointments, or reviewing your medical records, logging into MyCare Compass is simple when you know what to do. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser. The first step is to open your preferred web browser, Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, etc., on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Step 2. Navigate to the MyCare Compass website. In the address bar, type the official MyCare Compass website URL. This is typically provided by your healthcare provider or institution. Double-check the URL to ensure you are on the correct, secure website. Step 3. Locate the login section. Once the website has loaded, look for the Login or Sign In button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Step 4. Enter your username. Click on the Login button, and you will be prompted to enter your username. This is the unique identifier you set up when you created your account. If you've forgotten your username, most platforms have a Forgot Username option. Step 5. Enter your password. Next, type in your password in the designated field. Make sure you enter it carefully, as passwords are case-sensitive. If you can't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 6. Enable two-factor authentication. Optional. If your account is secured with two-factor authentication, you will be prompted to enter a code sent to your phone or email. This step adds an extra layer of security to your account. Step 7. Click on the Login button. Once you've entered your username and password and two-factor authentication code, if applicable, click the Login button to access your account. Step 8. Access your MyCare Compass dashboard. After a successful login, you will be redirected to your MyCare Compass dashboard. Here, you can view your medical records, manage appointments, communicate with your healthcare provider, and access other services offered by the platform. Troubleshooting tips. Forgot your password or username? Use the recovery options on the login page. Browser issues. If you're having trouble logging in, try clearing your browser's cache or use a different browser. Account locked. If you've attempted multiple incorrect logins, your account may be temporarily locked. Wait a few minutes and try again, or contact support for assistance. Now you're ready to navigate MyCare Compass with ease. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.